Let's be real, tying a tie is one of those skills every man is just expected to know. But no one ever teaches you. That's why how to tie a tie is literally one of the most Googled questions in the world. Men search it before job interviews, weddings, prom nights, you name it. So today I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most classic knot, the 4 in hand. If you learn this one, you're set for life. My name is Omari and I have a passion for fashion, want to share all the stuff that I know with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with step 1, position the tie. Start by draping the tie around your neck. Here's the golden rule. The wide end should be much longer than the skinny end. Think of it like this. The wide end is doing all the work, the skinny end is just along for the ride. Step 2. Cross over. Take the wide end, cross it over the skinny end, and now it's sitting on the opposite side. This is the first move that sets the knot. So make sure it's flat, no twists. If it's already twisted here, the whole knot is going to look like you fought with it and lost. Step 3. Wrap underneath. Next, bring the wide end underneath the skinny end and back around to the other side. Step 4. Across the front. Now swing the wide end across the front again like you're wrapping a scarf. Hold it gently with your finger because this little band is what's going to create the knot's face later. Step 5. Up through the loop. Here's the fun part. Take the wide end and bring it up through the loop around your neck from underneath. Step 6. Down through the front loop. Now take the wide end and slide it down through the front loop you've been holding with your finger. This is the actual moment the knot comes together. Pull it through gently, don't yank. Ties are fabric, not shoelaces. Last but not least, step 7. Tighten and adjust. Now hold the knot with one hand and pull the wide end down with the other. Slide the knot up toward your collar until it feels snug but comfortable. The goal here is not to choke yourself, it's to look sharp. Adjust until the knot is centered. Done. And that's basically it, the 4 in hand knot. One simple knot that works for job interviews, weddings, graduations, and dinners. Basically anytime you want to look like you actually have your life together. Practice this a couple of times and it will become second nature. Thanks for watching. My name is Omari. I wish you all the best. Until next time. Peace.